Let's go. Check it out. Slaughterhouse Butcha, Omrop Fryslân, fearless. I'd rather die on my feet than live on my knees. I'll fucking smile when I flee, return and slice you to pieces. For me, no selling keys, no coke money, I don't need it. I was surrounded by evil, so I defeated my demons because they kept me blind to the truth. So stop bragging about your aluminum bling, motherfucker, and how you was knocking the boots. I'm unplugging my troops, machete swinging at you. Commercial victims on my shit, that's always lied to the youth. My niggas worldwide digging a vibe when I boost. And I promise you, them little fake ass mob figures will cry when I'm through. I always keep it real like that nigga Kier, killing a bohemian queer for sipping on my whiskey and beer, yelling cheers while I'm blood spilling. A two-faced motherfucking each one of us political peers. So compare to doomsday, your end be the nearest. I'll lay you dead in the gutter like your fucking name's Emilio Ramirez. You so scared of us, you fear us, cause you know the League of Shadows will come and freak it the fuck out. Bring it to you fearless. Now tell me, who be the realest? Who the harder than Bruce Willis? Tell me, who is known by fellow butchers and killers? My niggas are villains, cold-blooded gorillas. Check it out, League of Shadows. Black hoodie movements worldwide. LOS be the best. Black hoodie movements worldwide.
I think you're gonna need backup.
LOS, all hail the League. League of Shadows, crisis, blazing, ruin. Poetic death of OGT. Allemaal peoples, mad ass nice. Echt peoples. We gaan van fearless naar deze creepy shit. Fearless is voor iedereen die leeft zonder angst. Want je hebt geen angst nodig. In een wereld vol met watjes. Sta sterk, motherfuckers. Dus komt nog meer beautiful shit. Zoals ik zei, The League of Shadows. Hier bij Omrop Fryslân. Check it out. We gaan meteen een beetje horror doen. I curse you with death, motherfucker, and I'll serve you misery. I'll kill a snake and drink its blood like a Jamaican voodoo priest. My methods are ancient, be you and I, we shouldn't beef. But tonight you gotta drown in the shadow of the beast. I'll turn your fucking feast into a horrorous murder scene. A bloodbath that'll make your peeps and family scream. Corny motherfucker, you couldn't even succeed defeating me. If your bitch ass name would've been Monica Lewinsky. You a cocky sack of shit, acting like you was above my level. But I'll come and butcher you little faggots down like kettle. So beware the thug rebel that's spoken. And don't you fucking think that I'm playing and joking. Cause the pigs will find your back all covered in roses. Convulsed like a fucking junkie during our overdoses. We are the devil's poetical tools. So clone and copy the pranks we pull. Fuck the nigga Shell Capone, you may call me the wolf. Silver bullet. Tijd voor die echte weerwolven shit. So peoples, let's go. We're gonna kill it. Silver bullet. Tear motherfuckers apart. Full moon shit. Check it out. Ja, dit is iets, het overkwam een tijdje terug. Dat ik door de Prinsentuin liep. Ik hoorde vreemde geluid, maar ik liep door. Ik zag daar een hond en die fucker die beet me. Maar ja, check it out. Silver bullet. I think it was last Saturday that I made a walk through the park. It was after midnight, freezing as a motherfucker, cold and dark. All of a sudden I heard a noise that sounded like a bark. Aside the fact that I was approaching it, I kept walking on. Eventually, after the path I took, I stranded in front of a wounded dog. You know, it was so dark that I almost couldn't see. I wanted to help it, but it showed its sharp teeth, aggressively attacked and bit me. I could smell its beastly breath, while its devilish red eyes were looking at me. Then it bit me again. This time I lost so much blood it weakened my body to a state that I couldn't even scream or shout. Last thing I know is that I felt Lucy had it fell to the ground and passed out. After an hour or two I woke up, but the beast was gone. Maybe its bites didn't kill me, but I just knew that something was wrong. So I tried to stand up feeling a little confused and nauseous. I was sick to my stomach, fell back on my knees and started to vomit. The blood was spraying out of my nose. Some green glowy shit came out of my mouth. Only thing I could do at that point was cough, cough, gag, and spit it out. What the fuck is going on? I'm going mad is what I thought. So I took a deep breath and got up from out of the snow and stumbled on my way home. Only thing I wanted to do was go to bed. I was in shock and in pain, the nigga just needed some rest. As soon as you're standing in the shadow of the beast, your days are history. I wish death upon all you motherfuckers who subliminally dissing me. I deal with my curse every time the moon's head is full of grab a Glock, cock it back, put your finger on the trigger and pull it, just do it quick. But you must remember, there's only one way to kill a werewolf. When I finally arrived at my apartment, I could barely stand on my feet. The true MC could sit back, take his time, and spit on my heartbeat. In between my shoulder blades, man, felt so heavy. Cause of all the blood that I've lost and exhausting journey through the snow, my body got cold and weaker. I even had problems holding on to my keys. Man, I ain't joking. Mans were both bloody frosty and frozen. A couple of minutes fucking with the entrance of the lock. I heard a click. Thank God the door to the staircase went open. As soon as I walked through my front door, it closed by my back. Now I'm standing in the hallway, seeking for balance, leaning on a wooden chest. I made several steps through my room, then I collapsed. After 20 hours sleeping, I saw a black wolf with flashes coming by. My eyes opened up. I was still lying in the hallway, cold as fuck. So while I'm on the floor, I thought by myself, yo, what's the deal? Was it a dream or was it real? Or was it some sick-minded motherfucker pulling me a prank? Cause I was still covered in blood, but it wasn't any sign of my injuries. So I didn't have a scratch. I slowly got up and realized that physically I felt better and stronger than before. Dat was niet de hele track, peoples. But there's more where that came from. Check it out. Silver Bullet. Ow!